Hey, hello viewers. Welcome back to the Multi Magics channel again. Myself is Funny.
Yeah, myself is Sushikesh.
Yeah, so the last video we have uploaded, we have got a very good reviews from our viewers and subscribers, and also from our colleagues and well-knowns. Now everyone are clear what is Multi Magics, what we are doing, and where it is currently, and where we are
Yes,
going. So all the process is neatly captured in the last video. So for the viewers who
yes.
are watching it for the first time, please do watch the previous video. What do you say so, Ruchi, on that?
Yeah, funny. Like some of my friends has watched the last video and
Mm-hmm.
I got a pretty good feedback actually to say.
Okay, yeah. That's
Yes,
that's good to hear actually. Yeah.
yes.
So,
And I actually in
mm-hmm.
this video I wanted to show to the viewers
Okay.
that we have a good news for them,
Okay.
and that is we crossed our first milestone. You know,
Y-
let me show you.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are app which is in Play Store. You guys can download it and use it. Though it has only one single feature, that is converting MP4 to MP3, as you guys know, because we were explaining that in the previous videos. But the first milestone, what it is,
Yeah.
we
Yeah,
got
Ruchi.
an end-to-end flow. You
Correct.
know,
Correct. Correct.
yeah,
I
fun.
agree.
We got an
Yes.
end-to-end flow. So from now onwards, we'll keep integrating and keep integrating each feature, and also we'll be updating the apps for each sprint maybe. Yeah, let's. I'm not giving any promises, but let's see. Hoping for the best.
Yeah, Ruchi, that's actually, as you mentioned, this is a very big milestone for us. See,
Yes,
as we discussed, like all the things start pretty small. So this we
yes,
have our app, our product Multimagics is now available in the Play Store, and
yes,
as Rishi mentioned, it has one future MP4 to MP3. So
yes,
users and viewers and subscribers, please install it and test it. And
yes,
I mean,
surely.
you can try it,
Yeah.
not test it. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
and you can get the links through our website, and that is one more thing which we made in this video.
correct, correct.
Let me show that.
Yeah, yeah, Rishi. Yeah, can you? Yeah.
Yeah, this is our website.
Wow, that
So
looks great actually. Yeah,
yeah.
correct.
So coming to this is a hero section where we'll have a single name called as Multi Magics, and we'll have some small catchy subtitle, and like unlock the magic of multimedia.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a button where it will navigate to another section where you can download the Multi Magics app because it is for free.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And coming to this about us section, like you guys have been watching all the journey till now, so I don't need to explain. So you can, I'll give the link of this website in the description, so please go and watch it, check it out.
Yeah,
So
so this is
yeah,
very
and
this is very cool, Rishi, actually. So all the
yes,
our company vision and everything has been captured here. So
yes,
as Rishi,
exactly, Shani.
yeah. So viewers, please will be capturing this in the website, all the details in the comment section or in the description. You can go through it.
You
What?
can go through it.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
and I have listed out some features too, like uh, they are not yet built now. But it will be available in the future. But
Yeah.
to showcase it, I kept it like that. So we are
Overall
going to add,
features. Yeah.
yeah, we are going to add a video editor, merge option, compress option, and you can also add subtitles to your videos, and you can resize it. Yeah, there are much more to.
Yeah. So viewers, apart from this legacy features, we also have in mind some advanced
Yes,
features like studio kind of thing, and then this
yes,
showing
yes,
up podcast kind of things. All these different ideas are there, but we don't want to put everything now because we are in that process of that R&D. So, but at least we
yes,
are promised to these features now, and then we will be moving ahead, and then we will come across the advanced features also too.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yeah.
And at the last, everything will be bundled. So no
Correct,
worries.
correct, correct.
Yes.
Yep.
And also, there's a blog section, where and what you guys are watching now will also be in the blog. So you guys can go and check out our blogs, and we'll post our daily updates or monthly updates or whatever. If we get an update, we'll post it there. So you guys can check it out there. And yeah, if we click on this window, it will navigate to another page that is called blog page. You guys got that right? So yeah, and in the bottom section, I mean footer section, there's one catchy heading again, like enjoy the magic of multi magics. So here, if you click here to, then it will navigate to the Play Store link, Play Store where our app is located. Yes, and you can also scan this QR code so that you can directly download it in your phone.
Oh,
And that's all about our website.
yeah. So if any viewers or subscribers want to contact us, we can go to that contact us section, right?
Yes, yes.
So
There
you
is one more
can.
section called as the
Mhm.
contact us page,
Okay.
and yeah, users and viewers, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys want to contribute or if you guys want to ask any
Yeah.
queries, you
Mm-hmm.
can please fill this form and please contact us.
Yeah.
We'll put some time and we'll reply you back.
Sure. If someone who
Yeah.
wants not to post all the things in the YouTube comment section, you can just personally contact us. We will definitely address them. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So, so two major milestones, Rushi, we unlocked today. One is
Yes. One is
Play Store
one to
and
end to end flow.
end-to-end flow in the Play Store is there, and one is the website. Now we are
Yes.
official.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, that is a good news.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So now let's start into the actual content of today's video. So
Yes.
actually today in this session we will be showing, actually we added a video to video conversion, and I will start with
Yes.
very low level details here. So basically
Yes.
what is video? A video is what it's like number of frames you see to the visible eye. So typically a human eye can capture around 50 to 60 frames,
Yes.
and then yeah, it's just like you see the number of frames, it gives that visual motion impact to us. That is
Yes.
typically what video is.
Yes. Funny. I
Yeah.
have seen this kind of image practically in the Tare Ambedkar movie.
Yeah, that's true actually. So it's like how you imagine. It's like you need to be a creator, no? Yeah. So
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
correct. So now
So
let's simply put what video is. Simply you speak something and you will be getting some electronic waves. The mic captures that, and then mic passes that electrical waves to the any circuit which is having that analog to digital circuit, and that
okay.
that process all the data, and then it
Okay.
and then it will convert the digital data again to analog and send back to your speakers, and from speakers or earphones or headphones you can hear back. So that's a
Yes.
typically a audio process. So all the samples that when you are doing audio to digital, analog to digital, so you will be having some samples, and that samples will be, all the process will be applied on that samples, and that from samples again you convert that into that electric waves using analog to digital to analog circuit. So this is a typical audio. Just to reface for the viewers, like what is video and audio. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I got
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, Rushi. So now, see, typically what is we are talking about now, what is a video? See, there are different types of video containers available in the market. The most popular is MP4, and we have WebM, and we have AVI, and we have MKV. So there are a
Okay.
lot of different containers in the market, video containers. So what does a video container has? So the name itself suggests we will be having a container stream, or it is called a metadata stream, where it will be
Okay.
giving which container we have. It's like a kind of header to that video. So what kind
Okay.
of
Okay.
format it is, what kind of specs are there, all those details will be there in that metadata, and we will be having a video stream, and that video will be having a specific codec called H264, H265, VP9, or a lot of formats, video formats are there, and it also contains an audio stream, and that audio stream
Okay.
will be having an audio format like AAC or MP3 or OGG, different kind of audio formats will be there. So a video, a audio, and a container, metadata, all these three together, it is called a container, and it is called a
Okay.
video container. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So funny. Like, why do we have containers?
Yeah, see, typically to raw data, see, in general, all these containers are needed to compress the data actually. So in general,
Okay.
the raw audio and video data are really big in size. So we can't
Okay.
store it on the disk or in the cloud or whatever. So everywhere the sizes will be very big. So it is hard to maintain.
Okay.
So
Okay.
these containers, or it's like it will store all the audio and video data in a compressed format, and that
Okay.
compressing algorithm is called the whatever codec. So H.264 follows one compressing algorithm. Audio
Mm-hmm.
AAC audio format follows one compressing algorithm. So different formats follow the different compressing algorithms, and the players and the streams who wants to display this or who wants to make the audio visible will just decode it and put it
Okay.
onto the screen. So this is
Okay.
how
Okay.
typically an encoding decoding happens. So encoding
Okay.
is like you compress all the data, put it in a container,
Mm-hmm.
and then typically the player will decode all the data and play it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
So, yes, please bear with me. Even I am new to this multimedia
yeah,
stream, so
yeah.
that is why I will also be asking questions on behalf of you and me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. That is pretty good, which is much more interactive.
Yeah.
So now so given the background, what is video, what is audio, what is a video
Mm-hmm.
container, why we need encoder, why we need decoder, all these things. So now let's see what we actually did. So typically in our day-to-day life, yeah, can you go up a bit? Yeah, yeah, no,
Yeah.
no, up previous slide only. So we are,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
no, no, come down. That, yeah, here, yeah, in this slide. See, now in this we are doing the MP4 to MP4 container. So in this
Okay.
actually we are doing a transcoding. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm-hmm.
we added a feature called transcoding. Transcoding
Okay.
means we have an MP4 container,
Okay.
and typically we can transcode out of these three anything. We can transcode the
Okay.
container, we can transcode the video, we can transcode the
Mm-hmm.
audio. Transcoding means from one format to other format. It is like
Okay.
a
Okay.
H.264 to H.265, AAC to OGG, or
Mm-hmm.
MPEG-4 to WebM, and the whole I mean the container itself. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so there are a lot of combinations, or there are a lot of metrics we can transcode here, but
Okay.
we
Okay.
just started with this simple thing. We just keep the container stream and container metadata as it is, and we put the audio data as it is. We will be just
Mm-hmm.
transcoding the H.264 format to H.265 format. How we did it is what
Okay.
we will,
Okay.
that's what we achieved, but moving down the line we'll be adding lot of video conversions. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got that.
Yeah, Rishi. So coming to that, so we will show you how we achieved it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this looks a bit easy, but it's not that. But yeah, try to get capture as much as you can. See, typically we have a container, Rishi. See, in this
Okay.
container we have a metadata, video stream, and an audio stream.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
now we will be reading the entire input file, and then
Okay.
that entire data will be kind of we'll be storing it in a structure called AV format context. Okay,
Okay. Okay. I got that.
and in this AV format context, that streams information will be there actually. Video
Okay.
stream,
Like video has separate streams and audio has separate streams.
yes,
So it will
yes,
get divided.
yes. Separate streams will be there in that AV format context structure. So
Okay.
one is dedicated for video stream and one is dedicated for audio stream.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so
I got that.
now we will go to that specific structure in that, and then we will be iterating, and then we will be pulling out the video stream now. So for assume
Okay.
now you got a video stream, and that
Okay.
stream we need to convert that into a, so information is there, right, in the inside that stream.
Yes. Yes.
So that
Yes.
we will be dividing it into packets. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so that packets will be again converted into frames actually, a video frame,
Okay.
and while
Okay.
converting that packets to frame, this codec comes into the picture. So this X264 is the codec,
Okay.
that frame, that audio for that video frame is came. Okay.
Hmm. So this is the place where the conversion will happen.
Yes, yes, yes. So this is
Okay.
basically, it is called a decoding process. Decode means
Okay.
you have the video stream, and
Okay.
you are decoding that, you are decompressing that video
Video.
data into frames. So these frames are called raw video frames. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So
So
AV frame, the raw video frames will be in the AV frame, if I'm
yes,
not.
yes. The
Okay.
raw video
Okay.
frames will be in the AV frames. So
Okay.
to extract the raw video, we are using the X264 codec only, which is what
Okay.
that container is built with. That video file is
Okay.
built with. Okay.
Okay. Got
So
that.
for decoding, we use the whatever format they are using. We'll just abstract the raw data. So this
Okay.
raw data can be written into a raw file, as well as this can be written into a this can be converted into a transcoding to different packets. So now these
Okay.
frames are converted into packets again. Okay,
Okay.
with the help of a
Okay.
different encoder now. So now we are encoding. So we have raw data in the frames. So this raw data we need to compress it again. So now
Okay.
compress.
So first we'll decode and we'll next encode again.
Yes, Rishi, that is correct. So
Okay.
decode
Okay.
process is done. So after decoding, the data is in AV frames, and this AV
Okay.
frames will be again encoded with the help of X265 codec,
Okay.
and then
Okay. Got it.
we'll be getting the AV packets again, which is in an encoded format of X265. Okay.
Okay. I got it. Yeah.
So now this AV packet, from these AV packets, will be joining all those packets into a stream called video stream. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And that video stream is finally written into the file. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
parallelly we'll be doing the same process for audio.
Nice. I
Okay.
got that.
So
Okay.
a frame can be an audio frame, a video frame. So if it is a video frame, we'll be writing it to the we'll be using video codec, and then we'll be converting to video packet, and then we'll be putting into the file. So
Okay.
similarly, the stream audio stream next frame will be audio, like that video audio will be converting into the from frames to packets using that codecs, and for audio we'll be using AAC only. So that's why I didn't mention anything separate here in the block diagram. So now this goes to the video stream, audio stream, and then finally we again pack it together all the streams with the metadata as a container.
Okay. So I have a small question.
Yes,
Like
please.
they like as it is in the diagram, it is called as video.mp4, and if I observe properly, he is converting video. He is converting what do you say? X264 to X265.
Yes, yes,
Right?
yes.
So he is changing the format of only the audio stream. Sorry, video stream.
Correct, Rishi, correct.
Yes. So if I want to change audio stream, so do I have to convert into raw frames again?
Yes,
So
that's a good question, Rishi. Yeah, yes, you are correct. So to convert the audio, for example, from AAC to OGG, so we need to follow the typical process. Again, we need to first decode the audio frames, okay,
okay.
and then
Okay.
we need to convert that audio frames into samples with the help
Okay.
of the whatever decoder AAC, and then these samples are again encoded with the help of whatever audio encoder we choose, for example OGG. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
these raw audio frames will be encoded again into the OGG format with the help of that codec, and then again that audio stream will be written. So this time it
Okay.
will be OGG stream instead of AAC
Yes.
stream. Yeah.
So and there's one more addition here. Like for video, we converted it directly, but for audio, we had to convert it to samples.
Correct, correct. So typically, as we seen in the block diagram, that image, it's video means images means frames, and audio is like samples are involved. Yes, we need to convert it to frames into samples, and samples to frames, back to packets, and then back to stream. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like a
Audio has a bit more process.
correct. True, true, true.
Okay. So yeah.
Yeah, viewers, I think this is kind of for viewers who are all not part of the media domain, or who are not part of the other domains. It might be sound bit kind of little bit kind of overwhelming to understand, but see, just try to understand the gist of the issue, actually what we are doing.
Exactly.
Like just we're trying to put everything in a block by block and trying to be okay.
Yes. And moreover, this is not a tutorial, so we
Yeah,
are not
yeah.
explaining each and everything.
So we want to make it as simple as possible. So
Yes.
now on that note, Rishi, we'll just quickly go to the code we have done. So whatever we have explained, we'll show in the code format, so that
Yeah.
that's the way viewers can see what we are doing. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. The code section is coming. Yeah.
Give me a while. Yes, I think you can see the screen.
Yeah, so see, this is our project structure, guys. So first, as we mentioned in the block diagram, we will be setting up the audio codec and video codec like H264 and AAC, and after that we will be getting the streams. For now we'll just explain at high level. Maybe in the rest of the videos we'll go through each and every function and see what we are doing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so but this stream index, what we'll do is we'll pass the input file, and we'll be getting the what is the video stream index and what is the audio stream index. Okay.
Okay, like the AV format context which you have shown in the previous figure.
Correct. So we
From there,
mentioned,
you will extract the streams of video and audio, right?
yes, not the streams precisely, the
Okay.
index of the streams.
Index of the streams.
Index
Okay.
of the stream, that index numbers will be getting. So
Okay.
now we will be preparing the decoder. Okay.
Okay.
So
Should I
decoder.
go to that?
Yeah, we can click with it. Yeah. See, so first we'll prepare the video decoder. So in the video decoder, what we'll do, we'll just find. See, preparing the decoder means we'll be putting all the information, whatever the decoder is needed. Okay. So we will be
Okay.
what decoder, find decoder is there, that will put what decoder we need. For example, video means like H264. All those information will be getting from that video stream. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And then we'll be allocating the context for that our decoding, our input file, and
Okay.
after that we'll be copying all the parameters, input context parameters here, and we'll be preparing the codec context here. Then finally
Okay.
we'll be opening the decoder.
Okay. I got it.
So we are just preparing the decoder and we are trying to open it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
So now the same follows for the audio stream. Okay. So we open the audio and then we kind of open all the required details we do. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So we can skip that same thing. So now we have opened the decoder of video, we have opened the decoder of the audio. So this is related to the input. So from the input file, we have prepared what kind of decoders are needed for video and audio, right? So now let's come to the output part. So let's see, now output is again MP4 file. So for MP4, we want to first create a memory for that context, AV format context. And then now the tricky part in the encoder is we need to fill all the details. Because
we want to convert.
So for input, you just need to read all the data from the metadata and you prepare the decoders, right? And all the data is there, you just prepare it accordingly from the input file. But for encoder, we need to populate all the required things. So now if you go to prepare video encoder, if you go to that function prepare video encoder, you can see here all the things. If you come down, yeah, you can see yeah, we are giving all the video bitrate, buffer size, and all key values, parameters. So currently these are hard coded, but we will be controlling it from the upper layer once we yeah. So
you are going to give these options to user.
Yes.
So user can like he can choose whatever he wants.
Yeah. So if you go up a bit, you will also seeing that user is providing H265 here. That yeah, so all those things comes from our command line controls. Okay. So now typically we prepared the decoder, we prepared the encoder, and now finally we need to initialize other buffers for the audio for the sampling purpose. So that and now we can typically open the output file for writing. So first we open the headers. As I mentioned, for audio we need to initialize few more samples kind of things. Okay. So now the output file header is opened. So now what we'll do is we'll be reading the input file frame by frame, and then we'll be transcoding the video, and then parallelly we'll be transcoding the audio, and then both the things will be writing it to the that each frame will be writing into the file actually in the
I got it.
Yeah, so we'll be storing. So the context will be open, and inside the context now we are populating the data, and that data we are writing it into the output file whatever we opened, and at the end we will be closing that file and we will be cleaning up all the things before we exit the application. This is how typically, yeah, Rishi, yeah.
And as you said from the last diagram, and first the decoding process will happen.
Correct.
Like packets will be converted to the frames, and frames will be converted to the packet again.
Right.
So
right.
So that frames is converting to the packet in this part.
Correct. The transcoding.
Okay. So in this part.
Yes.
So that means transcoding part includes converting a packet to the frames and converting the frames to the packet, right?
Right. Correct.
So the whole process is inside the transport part.
Yeah. So before converting, we need to prepare all the infrastructure for converting. For transcoding. That is what we are doing in the prepare decoder encoder. So we need to get ready, all the tools ready, all the data structures ready. If everything is ready, then only you start transcoding the actual thing.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So finally we are freeing up the memory. So can we show the metrics actually?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
sure.
so the metrics, yeah, yeah. I
Give me
hope,
a moment.
yeah, sure. Yeah, viewers, I hope everyone are following this block diagram as well as the code. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, Rushi, you can explain this. Yeah, I mean, or you can, yeah, comment on this. So it is a very interesting matrix. Yeah, Rushi.
Mhm. So, like, I guess you have written the video formats which you are supporting,
Correct,
and the video formats which are converting to these
audio.
audio formats.
Correct, correct,
So, as I'm understanding, for now we don't have support for FLAC,
right,
but we will enable that later.
correct,
And also, AVI and OGV is also support of
correct.
AVI and OGV is also on there.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
nice. That's
viewers.
nice
Yeah.
actually.
So totally we have
Last time,
50. Yeah, we have only 5 to 10 combinations, I think.
yes, but still, funny. You did you observe? You in the first video we converted only MP4 to MP3,
Right, 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 right.
but we within a week of time, yeah, I did.
Yeah,
You
we
did a pretty
now,
good job.
yeah,
Yeah.
now we are converting MP4 to AC, MP4 to OGG, MP4 to ASC3. So lot of combinations, like around 32 combinations from video to audio. And now
Okay.
this new feature we discussed today, video to video. So currently we
Okay.
started with MP4, and then we are
Okay.
converting MP4 to MP4, and in that the
Mm-hmm.
settings we are using is H264 to H265, and we are using
Okay.
AAC. I mean, yeah,
Okay. Like I got another question.
yes,
Like converting from H264 to H265. Like, did you observe any changes? Like, what is the use?
yeah. See, typically for the quality purpose or for the see for few players and a few online streams support only have only certain codecs, and they don't
Mm-hmm.
support other formats.
Okay.
So in that cases typically uh, this kind of transcoding happens.
Okay.
User needs it, and also typically during live streams also, and also during
Okay.
any other kind of
Mm-hmm.
quality improvement point of view also. So
Okay.
these kind of
So,
conversions are needed. Yes,
okay. So, converting from H264 to H265 will increase the quality.
definitely,
And
definitely it will increase the quality.
increasing the quality in the sense it will also increase the file size,
Of course,
right?
yes, the quality
Okay.
quality is not free.
Yeah, we need to sacrifice it to earn something.
Correct, 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 correct.
Okay. Yeah.
So
I got it.
these different formats we also need to investigate a bit, to be frank, Rishi, in the
Yeah.
sense like
Okay.
which streams best fits into the which container. So like all a lot of R&D we need to do, but we'll
Mm-hmm.
try to come up with the best matrix for each container. Yeah,
Yes. Yes. Even I'm expecting that.
yeah, yeah. We both will be working on that next. Yeah.
But still, the contribution of me in this multimedia side, media side, and all is pretty less.
Come on, no,
I'm
no,
more interested
it's not like that. See, it's we are as a team. We are working as a team.
yeah,
It's crucial
yes,
times you are there. That's okay. Yeah.
yeah, okay,
Yeah, next,
uh,
yeah, I
yeah,
think we have covered most of the things, but yeah,
yes. And one more thing,
yeah, now
and
we will be, Rishi
as
will
you
be
know,
discussing, yeah, next steps, next things, what we'll be covering in the next video. Yeah.
yes, guys. Like as you know, guys, like in the previous videos we have been discussing that there is a very minimal UI. Like there is a single button and where you can pick a video file. So I just wanted to redesign it, and I want to add more features and I want to give user more, I mean, in a more handy way. So that's why I came up with a small design,
Mm-hmm.
so which I wanted to discuss here.
So
So
basically, you
that
are
is
telling that the current UI in the Play Store is a simple UI, and you have something in mind
yes,
where that UI is, I mean, kind of give good UI. So you want to,
yes,
Rishi wants to discuss that design of UI, how it looks like. Just
yes,
people who are interested to UI, yeah, yeah.
yes.
Wow, that looks pretty amazing.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
go ahead.
And as everyone knows, like while launching the app, there will be a 2 second screen which I used to call, but that is actually splash screen. So in between in between the width of the screen, we'll have a logo and we'll have a small animation with a name. with a product name called as Multimagics, as you guys know. So after that, we'll navigate to the home screen. So there comes a part. So in home screen, we'll have like you people might be watching in WhatsApp or in any other social media apps. You can see there is a tab bar at the bottom. So where you can see like home settings, profile, and all. So in that way, we'll have tools, files, and my conversion and more. Okay, in tools page, we'll have two tabs like sliding tabs. One is for video and one is for audio. And with respect to tools and features which we want to include will be there inside that. Okay, and coming to this home screen, and coming to the file screen, and file screen and my conversion screen, they both are pretty similar. Okay, and yeah,
Okay.
we'll have some kind of list.
Yeah.
Like you can select a file using this plus button, which you can see here. Actually, this is a handwritten drawing, so please adjust.
Hey,
So
come on. No issues.
yeah, so
See, we are like we are a pre-startup. So yeah.
yes, it's an
Yeah.
alien startup, so we'll not have much tools and everything. So
Correct.
yeah,
Correct.
so by clicking this plus button, you can pick a file from your device. Okay, so which will be displayed as a list here, and there's a small box with shade, if you
Mm-hmm.
can observe. So that is the place where I'll keep a preview of the file which we have chosen,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll keep very minimal information on that list, like name, the size, and the time which it has been created. And there's a small icon, if you can observe in that circle. There's an eye that is for info. Like if a user press on that eye icon, so he'll get some options. Like he can move that file to my conversion page. Okay, though it is not converted, he can move that. Okay, and he
Okay.
can also save that to somewhere in his device. So, and if you press on more tools, he'll get back to the tool screen again. Like
Mm-hmm.
user wanted to know, like this file can be converted to what types, how many different types. So that will show in the tools page. If he
Yeah.
when he presses more tools, okay, and we can delete that file. And as well, if we press convert, and it'll go to the conversion screen, and he'll choose his own
So
options.
looks like a lot of controls you are giving to the user, like to control which
Yes.
format, which settings, which different screens for monitoring all the different conversions, operations. So it's like
Exactly.
a big change is coming.
Exactly. Exactly.
That's
Like we
great.
are giving user the more control.
Right, right. That's
Yeah.
that's that's the yeah. That's great.
Yes.
That's great.
And yes. And in my conversion page, the main difference for the my conversion page and the file screen page is the files which has been converted will be placed in the my conversion screen, and the files which are yet to be converted will be placed in the my file screen. I mean file screen.
Okay.
So that is what the main difference for the file screen and the my conversion screen.
Hmm.
So coming to this more part, which is not included in this version of UI, but later we will. And like if we add some around 20 to 30 features, then we'll add some pro features and all. So, but like up ahead, I just added a small design for that. Okay,
Okay.
and
I think this is pretty much informative, and then
yes,
yeah, it is very so the viewers can keep watching. Like for
yes, yes,
we'll be putting all these designs on paper actually into our
yes.
Android application and other platforms too.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah, yeah,
And there are some supporting components too,
correct.
like we cannot, there'll be some pop-ups and all. So
Mm-hmm.
instead of drawing each and every design, so I kept as supporting components.
Mm-hmm.
So coming to this, like suppose assume user didn't pick any file in the file screen, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But in the tools page, if you press on a feature, like suppose assume that if you want to compress a video, or like what we have now, MP4 to MP3,
Mm-hmm.
if a user press on MP4 to MP3 conversion
Mm-hmm.
feature,
Mm-hmm.
it will show this pop-up, which you can see here, switch to.
Okay, okay.
Okay, the first rectangle.
Yeah, Rishi.
Okay,
Yeah. Got it.
In that, the arrow beside the switch to, it will
Mm-hmm.
display you like where do you want to choose file from. Do you want to choose file from Drive or your device or from any other internet URL or something? There are
Yeah.
many privacy. There will be many privacy issues if you want to choose a video for using URL. But let's see for next version what how much we can do. Yeah. So
Yeah.
once
That's yeah. Currently, we'll be loading the physical files from your
yes,
native devices, but
yes,
later down the line, you can, instead of the
we can add
physical
additional
files, you can
features.
also give the URLs from the
Yes,
cloud platforms or any of the platforms available, so that URL can
yes,
be anything. Okay.
yes, yes. And once after selecting the file, if you press on the file, you will go to the convert option, convert page, which you can see here. Okay,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
in the top section, which is called as hero section, there will show the preview of the file, and in the format settings, you'll have a two tabs called as audio and video, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and this is the place where user can enjoy.
Yeah.
He can do many experiments as much as he can. Yeah, the more we
I th-
implement,
I think
the more features we
I think once all these things were actually visible in the app, then I think
yes,
it will be
that will
more
be
appealing
beautiful.
for the
Yes,
viewers. But viewers, yeah, this is pretty much important because we want to share like where we want to go in the UI aspects. Also, it's not straightforward as Rusi mentioned. Like giving the
yes,
controlling
exactly.
more controls to the users and more things is what makes our app more appealing and our product more appealing to the users. So yeah, there is a
Yes,
lot of work on the UI also needs to happen. So we're just
yes.
discussing with you upfront such that it will, yeah, it will be we will be connecting what we want to develop in the next video. You can see that,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yeah, and you're just giving the high level overview, Funny. I'm
Yeah,
not
Rishi.
telling that next version will be exactly like this.
Yeah,
You know,
I mean the
yeah,
overall will be like this, but we will be
yes,
doing it in a series of videos instead of
exactly,
maybe in the
true.
next video we'll be just putting okay this particular feature is done, this particular page is done. We'll be
Yes,
slowly building it, just like
yes,
what we did in the
exactly.
back end. Slowly progression is starting for this also.
Yes,
That's
yes,
great. That's
true.
great. So that's how
Yeah,
we can track it.
and
Mm.
coming to this format settings, like he can do experiments like by changing the settings and all as we progress,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
I mean below that you can see a button called, I mean there's a small icon called as something like refresh.
Yeah.
Can you observe that? Yeah, if we
Correct. Correct.
press that, and that's where the magic happens.
So
I
I have one question here, Ruchi. So all these things you will be using React and React Native plugin like last time we
uh,
discussed, or are you putting anything different here in this case?
no, no,
At
no.
least for Android.
Okay, what I'm thinking is actually that is what I want to. I think I figured out last week.
Okay. Okay.
I wanted to use React Native for mobile. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I mean to be precise for Android and iOS,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
React for desktop applications. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
so both are JavaScript. I mean the bottom layer will be JavaScript, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I need to create some common files
Okay.
where these both will access. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, React Native is different from React. I mean, at least
I
30
got
to
it.
40%. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to like build all four platforms or the platforms which we are going to make
Mm-hmm.
should have the same and common source code. Okay.
Okay.
Then so I tried to achieve that, but it was too there are many complications. So that's why I came into this design,
Yeah. Yeah.
like React Native for mobile
Mm-hmm.
and React for
Desktop.
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 But these two platforms or these two tech stacks
Mm-hmm.
will use the same. I mean, will have the common source files.
More or less, it will be having same source
Yes.
code, but
Same source code.
depending upon the platforms, few things might vary. Yeah.
Yes, depending
Okay.
upon we'll add some platform checks.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and after pressing this convert button,
Mm.
funny,
Mm-hmm.
I literally enjoyed the drawing this diagram. Let
Yeah.
the magic happen.
So you are now a UI designer as well as UI implementer, as backend full stack. You are now a full stack developer from top to
Maybe
bottom.
actually,
Uh,
I said that
you are more of
I'm
entrepreneur, of course.
enjoying.
I know that you
I'm,
are more of
I'm enjoying basically.
Yeah, you're a more of
I
entrepreneur. I know you can build product from end to end, and this is
yeah,
just one piece
thanks.
of it. Yeah,
Yeah,
I know
thanks.
that. I know that.
And coming to this, you'll have a after pressing that convert button. Yeah, there's a place. Let the magic happen, and we'll
Yeah.
display the progress bar and the file. I I written on the right side. If you observe, file should display in the my conversion page.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Yeah,
this file, I mean this list or this list item, will be displayed in the my conversion page.
correct.
From there, right, if user want to convert it again, yeah, I kept that option too. So
That's
yeah,
great, Rishi. Yeah,
that's all about the design which I'm thinking
yeah.
of to build for this app.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
hopefully,
that's
see,
as you mentioned in the beginning of the video, like all those images, content
mhm.
creators, like yeah, now you have everything is this in your mind, and we will be definitely transforming this into the actual product in the
Yes,
coming days, and then series of videos. And parallelly, we
yes,
will also be sharing our progress on the back end side, like the conversion side also.
yes.
Yeah, I think we have a
I
pretty
think
good session today. Like we
yes,
have
yes,
covered a lot of things, sharing our positive things, and then
yes,
sharing what happened in the back end, and sharing what is planned for the front end and the
yes,
matrix
yes.
combo. I think we have covered a wide range of things today.
Yeah, funny. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. That is true actually.
yeah.
And at last but not the least, I would like to thank all our subscribers and viewers too.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this wouldn't happen with if we didn't get your support and all. So, yeah, I guess we'll end this now, and hope we'll meet up. We'll catch up again. Yeah,
Yeah,
thanks for
Rishi.
everything. You like, subscribe, and
Chill.
click that bell icon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, viewers. Good night. Take care.